Hello guys, welcome again to today's Swahili lesson. We are still on noun classes series. In today's lesson, we'll discuss noun class 3 and class 4. Noun class 3 is and noun class 4 is me. And then the noun prefixes are u for singular and e for plural. This noun class has the following nouns. The first group is majina ya miti, names of the trees. The second group is majina ya mimea, names of plants. The third group is sehemu za mwili, body parts. And then the fourth group is nouns that take in singular and me in plural. Let us look at the following examples of each group. Okay, for the first one, majina ya miti, names of trees. For example, mnazi, minazi. Coconut tree, coconut trees. Mchungwa, michungwa. Orange tree, orange trees. Mtofaa, mitofaa. Apple tree, apple trees. Okay, for the second group, majina ya mimea, names of plants. For example, mmea, mimea. Plant, plants. Mbuyu, mibuyu. Baobab, baobabs. Mnazi, minazi. Coconut, coconuts. Okay, the third group is sehemu za mwili or body parts. For example, mdomo, midomo. Mouth, mouth. Mkono, mikono. Hand, hands. Mguu, miguu. Leg, legs. Okay, and then the last group is noun that take in singular and me in plural. For example, mji, miji. City, cities. Mkoba, mikoba. Bag, bags. Mlango, milango. Door, doors. Note that when using verb, this noun class uses u in singular and e in plural for sentence formation. For example, mti ulianguka, the tree fell. Miti ilianguka, the trees fell. Mkono unauma, the hand hurts. Mikono inauma, the hands hurt. Mkoba umeoshwa, the bag has been washed. Mikoba imeoshwa, the bags have been washed.